Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been on a lot of minds: how to start creating on YouTube. Whether you're looking to share your passion, build a brand, or just have some fun, this guide will walk you through the essentials to get started. So, let's jump right in. Think about what you're passionate about. Is it gaming, beauty tutorials, tech reviews, or maybe travel vlogs? Choose a niche that excites you, because your enthusiasm will shine through and keep you motivated. Also, think about the format of your videos. Will they be tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or something else? Having a clear format helps with both filming and editing. At the very least, you'll need a good camera and microphone. Many smartphones have decent cameras these days, so you can start with what you have. A simple external mic can also greatly improve your audio quality. And don't forget about lighting. Natural light is great, but a ring light or softbox can make your videos look more professional. For editing, there are several software options, from free ones like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve to more advanced ones like Adobe Premiere Pro. Focus on creating clean cuts, adding engaging visuals, and making sure your audio levels are balanced. Use catchy titles and compelling thumbnails to grab viewers' attention. Write detailed descriptions with relevant keywords to help your videos show up in search results. And don't forget to add tags to increase discoverability.